Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace toner cartridge in HP LaserJet M140w. First you need to remove the old cartridge. To do this, push the scanning unit up and open it until it locks into place. Now grab the handle of the cartridge and pull it up and towards you. Now the cartridge is easily removed. Next, unbox your new cartridge and remove the protectors from it. First, remove these shields from the printing drum. Just pull the ribbon and remove the second shield like this. It's very easy. Also notice this orange ring on the left side of the cartridge, and this transparent film will be inside of the cartridge because it protects the printing head. So what you need is pull this ring and remove the wall ribbon from the inside of the cartridge like this. Then turn cartridge so that the text faces you and align it with the slots in the printer like this. Keep in mind that this tab on the cartridge should be aligned with the slots as well. Here you have a slot, so align all protruding edges with the slots and just glide the cartridge down the printer and slightly push until it clicks. Now you can close the scanning unit. Do it gently, softly, and that's it. Your printer is ready to work. Just load some paper in the paper tray and start printing. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.